In India, there are less than 10,000 registered pathologists resulting in an increasing workload and a delegation of their duties to inexperienced technicians. The need for transport of samples physically to the nearest city for diagnosis results in a longer turnaround time for test results. Medprime has developed Cilika digital microscopes, an integration of uniquely designed optical systems with mobile phone and tablet technology. This technology makes it possible to easily share images and videos of the samples between doctors, students, and consultants for second opinions and enable remote diagnosis via telepathology. Mighty Nasscom COE has played a crucial role in enhancing the credibility and brand value of Medprime and Cilika by helping us acquire our first diagnostic lab chain customer, Dr. Lal PathLabs. They helped us connect to the decision makers and navigate the procurement process, leading to installation of almost 20 units across their various centers. This led to subsequent orders from other lab chains as well. Some of our other esteemed customers are Apollo Diagnostics, CMC Vellore, military hospitals across multiple locations, and even AIIMS.